Okay, to recap, what we've got here is when the green flag is clicked, it will forever, as you see here, if the key, if the right arrow is pressed, then change by 10. So let's repeat that one more time. When the green flag is clicked, it will forever, always, it will, if the right arrow is pressed, then change X by 10. So I'm clicking the right arrow now, once I press the flag. And nothing happens, of course, because I haven't pressed the right arrow. There we go, this right arrow. Now, let's stop that and let's duplicate this. So I'm duplicating it there. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to change this to if the, press the drop down here, left arrow, then change by -10. So as you know, we've got the X and the Y axis here, so it will go left. So we're going to add in that -10. So let's press the green flag and see what happens. So I'm pressing the left key now, then the right key, left, right. Isn't that great? So if you can duplicate this, once you try it first by pressing the green flag, if it works and it's exactly like I've shown here, then duplicate it by right clicking, duplicate, then change it from right arrow, as you see here, to left arrow by right clicking, and then change it to -10 so that it will go left. So once you've done that, I will see you in the next video.